What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel for another crazy delicious video. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of truffles. If you're new here, thanks for popping in to watch. Hopefully, you'll be as obsessed with these little bites of heaven as I am. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tasty treats. Let's get started. Alright, first up, we're going classic with chocolate and peppermint. The combo you just can't go wrong with. We're gonna need 12 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, chopped up real fine, 1 cup of heavy cream, a teaspoon of pure peppermint extract, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget those sprinkles for that extra bit of fun. First, we heat that cream in a saucepan just until it starts to simmer. Then, we pour that hot cream over our chopped chocolate and let it sit for a few minutes so the chocolate gets all melty and irresistible. Now for the fun part, we stir that chocolatey goodness until it's smooth and silky. Add in that peppermint extract and a pinch of salt. Once it's all mixed, we're going to cover it up and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's firm, we scoop out little balls of this chocolatey dream and roll them in our hands to make them nice and round. Then, we roll them in sprinkles and bam! Chocolate peppermint perfection! Up next, we're hitting you with a double dose of deliciousness. Coffee and milk chocolate truffles. For this recipe, you're going to need 10 ounces of milk chocolate, finely chopped, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Just like before, we're going to heat that cream in a saucepan until it simmers. Then we pour it over our chopped chocolate and let it hang out for a few minutes. Once the chocolate is nice and melty, we grab our whisk and stir it all up until it's smooth. Now, we stir in our coffee and butter until it's all combined. Cover it up, pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and then roll them into balls just like we did with our peppermint truffles. You can roll these in cocoa powder, chopped nuts, or whatever you're feeling. Alright guys, time to step it up a notch with some rum and raisin truffles. These are super decadent and perfect for impressing your friends. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, chopped, half a cup of raisins, a 1/4 cup of rum, and a pinch of salt. First up, we soak those raisins in the rum. Just let them hang out and soak up all that boozy goodness. While that's happening, we'll heat up our cream in a saucepan until it simmers. Once it's simmering, we pour it over our chopped chocolate and let it sit for a bit. Then we stir it all together until it's smooth. Now, we add in our rum-soaked raisins and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix, cover it, and let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's firm, roll them up and get ready to indulge. Let's switch it up with something a little zestier. White chocolate lemon and lime truffles. These are super refreshing and perfect for a summer treat. You'll need 10 ounces of white chocolate, finely chopped, half a cup of heavy cream, the zest of 1 lemon, the zest of 1 lime, and a pinch of salt. We start by heating our heavy cream in a saucepan until it just starts to simmer. Then, we pour that hot cream over our chopped white chocolate and let it sit for a few minutes. Time to grab our whisk and stir it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Now, we add in our lemon zest, lime zest, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix, cover it, and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's firm, we roll them into balls and coat them in whatever you're feeling. Shredded coconut, powdered sugar, you name it. Alright, last but definitely not least, we're finishing strong with a flavor combination that'll blow your mind. Dark chocolate and ginger truffles. This one's for all you adventurous eaters out there. We're going to need 8 ounces of dark chocolate, finely chopped, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of finely grated fresh ginger, and a pinch of salt. Just like before, we heat that cream in a saucepan until it simmers. Then, we pour it over our chopped chocolate and let it hang out for a bit. Time to whisk it all together until it's smooth and silky. Now we stir in that ginger and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix, cover it, and let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once it's firm, roll them into balls and dust them with cocoa powder for a delicious finishing touch. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible truffle recipes that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.